Good morning, students. We are discussing lesson 14, chemical effects of electric current. And in our last video, I have already mentioned one activity. That means to find the conduction of electricity in some liquids like vinegar, citric acid, water, etc. And today we are going to find how can we find the conduction of electricity of some liquids by using a magnetic needle. Now we are going to discuss activity 14.3. For that we have to take the tray from inside a discarded matchbox and wrap an electric wire a few times around the tray. After that, place a small compass needle inside it. Now connect one free end of the wire to the terminal of a battery. Leave the other end free. Take another piece of wire and connect it to the other terminal of the battery. Now we got a tester like this. After that, join the free ends of two wires, and if the compass needle shows a deflection, that means our tester is ready. Now we can start our activity. For that, first we have to take a beaker half filled with lemon juice. After that, we have to dip the two free ends of the tester in the lemon juice. Observe, is there any deflection in the compass needle? After that, take out the ends of the tester from the lemon juice, dip them in water and then wipe them dry. Repeat the activity with other liquids such as tap water, vegetable oil, milk and honey. In each case, observe whether the magnetic needle shows deflection or not. After doing this experiment, we can find that some liquids are good conductors of electricity and some are poor conductors of electricity. In lower classes, we have already studied that water conducts electricity. Okay, but here we have to test whether a distilled water conducts electricity. Distilled water means a water does not contain any salt and mineral. It is pure water. For that one, we have to do one activity. Take about 2 teaspoonfuls of distilled water in a clean and dry plastic or rubber cap of a bottle. Use the tester to test whether distilled water conducts electricity or not. Then after doing the experiment, we cannot see any deflection in the compass needle. That means distilled water does not conduct electricity. Now dissolve a pinch of common salt in distilled water. Again, if you are testing, we can see that compass needle shows deflection. That means when salt is dissolved in distilled water, we obtain salt solution. This is a conductor of electricity. From this activity, we can conclude that water that we get from pond, river or hand pump that contains several salt and minerals. Thus, they are good conductor of electricity. On the other hand, distilled water is free of salt and is a poor conductor. Here there is an activity for you. Page number 176, activity 14.5. For that, you have to take 3 clean plastic caps of bottles and pour about 2 teaspoonfuls of distilled water in each of them. Add a few drops of lemon juice in the first cap. Add a few drops of caustic soda in the second cap and sugar in the third cap and dissolve it. Now test which solutions conduct electricity and which do not. Please send me the result. Okay dears, thank you.